Hi, and welcome back to our how-to series on the iC-R helmet. Today we're going to be walking you through how to pair your Bluetooth controller to your iC-R helmet. Now, the helmet and the Bluetooth controller that came in the box together should be automatically paired. When you turn on your iC-R helmet HUD, you should have a prompt to just click one button on your remote, and that should set up the connection process. However, in some circumstances, there can be other things that happen, and you'll need to repair or pair a new controller to your iC-R helmet. We're going to go over that process today. To pair a new Bluetooth controller, it is relatively simple. You will need to put your new Bluetooth controller into pairing mode. And to do that, you're going to hold down the camera and the back button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Once the remote is in pairing mode, the LED at the top of the remote will start to flash red and white alternative. Now you're going to go ahead and open your iC Rider app. Make sure that your phone and the HUD device are powered on and connected, and then you're going to go ahead and select the controller option. Now, if you have a controller already connected, it will show up here as a connected controller. If you don't and your controller is in pairing mode, you can hit the Search Now button, and that will start to search for any local controllers that are unpaired and in pairing mode. Select your new controller from the drop-down menu and wait for the pairing process to complete. Once that pairing process has completed, it should only take about 30 seconds, you will have a brand new remote connected to your iC-R helmet. And it's as simple as that. Thanks for checking in on this video. Make sure to check out the rest of the videos on the how-to series of iC-R helmets, and we'll see you in the next one.